Welcome to the Franklin State Bank mobile deposit tutorial. We begin this process by logging into the mobile application with our username and password as you normally would to enter mobile banking. The home screen should look like this. We will then press the blue plus sign at the bottom of the screen followed by the deposit button to the right. This will bring you to the mobile deposit portal. Press continue at the home screen, then read the terms and conditions. Press continue once you're done. The first step on this screen is to take a picture of the front of the check and press the green check mark to approve the image. Now we will complete the same process for the back of the check. All that's left to be done now is to input the amount of the deposit, press done at the top right corner of the screen, and then approve the deposit for submission. Provided all the information is correct, you should receive a notification at the top of the application as well as an email confirmation. We hope this has been helpful. Thank you for banking with FSB.